Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get data from other forms in Jotform tables. So first is head over to Jotform and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. So from here, I have pre-made two tables, one from monthly budget from January to March and one from April to June. So what we want to do here is get the data from this table and get this to here. And to do that, we're just going to click on this table and we're just going to view table. So this is how our sample monthly budget tracker looks like. What we're going to do is click on New tab, then select Table, then proceed by clicking on Next, and we're going to connect to Form. Just click on this, then proceed. And from here, we're just going to search the specific form that we want to import or add in here. And in that case, we're just going to select this one, then proceed. From here, all you have to do is drag and drop the fields you want to add. So say for example, we're going to drag this data to our table. Then once you've added all the data that you want to add from the other forms, just proceed by clicking on create. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!